Saeed Asad Abbas, I want you to come in on this.
On a lighter note, of course, तोहरा मोदी जी घंटे घंटे प्राइम टाइम न्यूज लिए हमारा संजय बबुआ थोड़ा सा बात कर दे तो क्या दिक्कत है?
अरे प्रधानमंत्री है वो।
प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहेंगे, और भी प्रधानमंत्री आएंगे जाएंगे, देश रहेगा। मेरे भाई, आप बिहार के हैं और मैं बिहारियों से बहुत मोहब्बत करता हूं बेइंतहा, आपको भी, लालू जी को भी। अभी सुनिए जनाब, for the last 1 week I must tell you, Madhav, I've been debating on all the national media channels. Let me tell you, the BJP spokespersons are doing fantastic work as ED spokespersons, but they are feeling completely on the ground. With great power comes great responsibility and equal accountability. I believe, be it Sanjay Singh or any other leader of Aam Aadmi Party, must and should listen to the Supreme Court's orders and the respective judges, and should not violate, because that will damage his case. Now, merits of the case, sir, let me bring to your notice a little bit of the research I've done. The ED casebook before and after 2014. The Indian Express has given some startling figures here. During the UPA government, 2004 to 2014, total politicians which were probed were 26, out of which 14 were opposition leaders. That is 54%. But during the NDA government, during the Modi's rule, 121 politicians are proved, whereas 115, 95% are from the opposition. Not just that, 25 leaders from the opposition jumped ship to BJP, out of which 23 already got reprieve, 2 of them cases in the cold burner. Respected sir, I'd like to know तुहिन साहब, ये जो 25 लीडर ऑपोजिशन के आए, कैसे? सुवेंदु अधिकारी, उनके साथ साथ अजित पवार, चक्की पी सिंह, नेचुरली करप्ट पार्टी के अजित पवार कैसे धुल गए? ऐसा है कि ये वॉशिंग मशीन भाजपा है, दूध सी सफेदी भाजपा ने लाई, भ्रष्ट नेता एंटर हुआ।
It's a white.
What about Praful Patel? Almost every spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party spoke about Praful Patel and the aviation scam. Sir, where is the money? Where is the recovery? Where is the evidence? What about Praful Patel? कुछ तो बोलिए। At least naturally corrupt party के बारे में बोलिए। हजारों करोड़ का स्कैम वो भी छोड़ दीजिए। I come from the state of Karnataka, माधव साहब भी यही
मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ।
जनार्दन रेड्डी 70,000 का करोड़ माइनिंग स्कैम, आपका अलायंस पार्टनर है वो, उस पे तो कुछ बोलिए जनाब, किसी पे तो कुछ बोलिए। तू इन आप Respected sir, you say that ये महामहिम है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी तमाम स्कैम्स के, कैसे? Do you have the Delhi High Court conviction order against him, or the Supreme Court High Court? And let me agree with you today, sir. Let me join the bandwagon with BJP, ask for his resignation. But the fact is, sir, there is no conviction order. Sharad Chandra Reddy is an alleged criminal. He's given crores to your party. So if I agree with you today, yes, there is a scam. Will you agree with me? You've taken 30 crore rupees from Sharad Chandra Reddy in electoral bonds from an alleged criminal? Yes or no?